Welcome to another in-depth tutorial on Hybrid Pro. In today's video, we're diving deep into Hybrid Pro's username and full name filter feature. This powerful tool helps you filter users based on their username or full name to create targeted, high-quality interactions. Whether you want to avoid certain users, blacklist, or focus on specific ones, whitelist, this feature gives you complete control over your automation. Let's explore how it works. Blacklist. Avoid unwanted users. First, let's talk about the blacklist feature. This setting allows you to skip interacting with users who have specific words in their username or full name. Example: if you add words like shop, nail, crypto, trade, marketing, Hybrid Pro will automatically avoid interacting with accounts that contain these words. Why is this useful? It prevents engagement with spammy, irrelevant, or unwanted accounts. It helps maintain a high-quality follower base. It improves targeting for better engagement rates. Important note: there is an exact match mode for first name filtering. When enabled, Hybrid Pro will check for a perfect match in the first name instead of just searching for the word anywhere in the name. Whitelist. Target specific users. On the other hand, if you want to only interact with users that contain certain words in their username or full name, you can enable the whitelist feature. Example: if you add words like fitness, entrepreneur, photography, Hybrid Pro will only engage with users that match those criteria. Why is this useful? It ensures you're targeting users within your niche. It increases engagement with relevant people. It helps avoid wasting resources on non-target audiences. Just like the blacklist, you can also enable exact match mode to be even more precise in your targeting. Final tips for best results. Keep your blacklist updated to avoid low-quality interactions. Use the whitelist feature wisely to engage with the most relevant audience. Combine this feature with other Hybrid Pro filters for even better targeting. And that's it. Now you know how to use Hybrid Pro's username and full name filter like a pro. Have questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more Hybrid Pro tutorials.